This is the EZ10. Running on EZ-Mile proven technology, it is the most deployed autonomous shuttle in the world. Driverless and 100% electric, it carries up to 15 people. Already in operation in mixed traffic environments, it bridges the gap between existing transport services and offers local mobility, both in city centers and on campuses. The EZ10 doesn't need infrastructure. It follows predefined routes or works on demand via an app. It detects and avoids potential obstacles thanks to a full set of sensors. LiDARs, cameras, GPS, odometry, inertial measurement unit. Easy access thanks to an automatic inbuilt wheelchair ramp. Vehicle to infrastructure communication. The EZ10 works with the Vehicle Agnostic Fleet Management EZ-Fleet software for mission management and route optimization. The EZ10 Shared Autonomous Shuttle, the efficient driverless transportation solution for urban environments, rural areas, or private sites.
Every day there are things you need to get and things you need to do. What if some of those things could be done for you, easily and affordably, by someone else? Or by something else? At Nuro, we've created a self-driving vehicle to do just that. A new class of vehicle specially designed to navigate neighborhoods. Outside, even even safer than what's inside. We're working hard to make every day a little easier, to bring you anything, anywhere, anytime, so you can spend your time on the things that matter most. Neuro is building technology that works for all of us. This is just our beginning.
The most convenient package delivery service in the world is also the world's first to use robots. Everybody loves to shop online, but we hate waiting around for our packages to arrive. Starship's revolutionary service delivers on demand, giving you the freedom to forget about your packages. So before you make your next online purchase, activate packages in the Starship Deliveries app. Set the location pin to your house and receive your personal Starship address. Enter this as your delivery address instead of your home address, and complete your purchase as usual. When your package arrives at a local hub, we sign for it and keep it safe. So you're free to forget about missing a delivery, free to get on with your life. Then, whenever you arrive home, at a time that suits you, we deliver in minutes. Starship gives you the freedom and security of receiving your packages exactly when you want them. No more missed deliveries, no more stolen packages. Starship, delivering you the future today.
Zipline is divided into different teams. We have the flight ops who care about pre-flighting planes, packing, loading the packages, and make sure that plane can fly. And then we have health ops. You can include more of the people with the knowledge of the blood product.
We make order to Zipline by using SMS or by using WhatsApp.
The package is handed to flight ops. You scan the package, and that's when we put the vehicle on the launcher. The vehicle will fly autonomously up to the hospital.
Iyo nabona ayo maraso nari gushobora gupfa. Igihe kuva basaba amaraso n'igihe yatugereyeho nta minota 5 irimo.
Nabona ayo maraso kumva naritabye Imana ko ari yo yagize umuntu.
We can avoid expiries, we can avoid stockout because the supply chain has improved. Blood is life, but it is saving life for Rwandans.